Hello and welcome, grade 8. Last week we talked about how to make three scratch program. First one, to insert three sprites lamp lighting button 5 as a sprite from Scratch. When you drag the lamp, to the lighting, the lamp will change color and the backdrop, it's called also background, will change color to yellow. When you drag the lamp to button 5, the lamp will not change color and the backdrop will change color to white. Again, when you drag the lamp to the light, the color of this lamp will change and the backdrop will change color to yellow. Okay? And if you drag the lamp to the bottom 5, the color of the lamp will stop changing and the backdrop will be changed to white. It's very easy to make this program. We will use if then else and repeat forever. Repeat forever if the lamp will write this code in lamp. So we will write if touching light, change color effect by 25, switch backdrop to backdrop 2. And I make backdrop 2 as a yellow background. And when drag the lamp to button 5, if touching button 5, switch backdrop to backdrop. Please try to make this program and put it in your folder in Teams. Second one, insert to sprite, Google, and the lamp. You can insert two lamps from the internet, one on, one off. One on, one off. We want, when you run the program, Google Sprite will ask you to put answer, 0 or 1. Google will ask you to put answer, 0 or 1. If you press 0, the lamp will turn it off. And if you press 1, the lamp will turn it on. Again, it's very easy. Just 0 or 1 to make the lamp turn it on or off. We will put sprite 2 in the custom, one on and another one is off. Yes. I will repeat forever. Ask type 0 or 1. If the answer equal 1, switch custom to on. And if answer equals 0, switch custom to off. Third program, we will talk about it later, but now you have to make a project by Scratch. Display any of science lessons like atom, solar system, digestive system, and I will upload the criteria in this week. And the deadline will be in 15th of December. 15th of December. You have to think about any science project. You can play it by Scratch. And You can explain any of science lesson, or you can make a game like this game. The penguin should collect only healthy food and stop eating the junk food. And the score can be increased. If increase more than 10, the level will be harder. The last Scratch program we already take this week uh, about how to convert Scratch to data logger. Using mic as a sensor and Scratch as a data logger, make a Scratch program detect sound from mic, detect sound from mic, and convert the analog sound, convert the analog sound to digital. Make Scratch program detect sound from mic and convert the analog sound to digital. The time interval is 1 second. The logging period is constant and it's 60 seconds. Export the result of digital sound to text and convert the constant logging period to variable. First of all, we will have to make variable and list. Variable and list. Variable will call number of measurement, and the list to detect sound will be just sound. Then okay. I have now list to detect sound, and the number of measurement will be 60 as a program told me. The logging period is constant and it's 60. Yes. The time interval will be 1 second. Time interval mean time between reading, time between reading, time between reading. I have to repeat how many times number of measurement. You have to put number of measurement here. The time interval will be every 1 second. You have to detect mic to collect sound. How to detect? Add things to sound. Add things to sound. What thing will be loudness. Loudness. Add loudness to sound. Add loudness to sound. Then, when you press green flag, he will detect sound. When I talk, he take my analog voice and to convert it to digital one. Stop talking, 0. When I talk, he take the voice and convert it to digital sound. I can stop anytime, and I can convert this data to right click and export to text. So we'll save it as a sound. Okay, no problem. Any name, sound 6, save, and you can see your desktop will be sound 6 here. Double click, you can see the analog, the digital sound. If I want to make the user choose the login period, just I have to put ask, what's your name? And I will change it to what's the number of measurement. And the answer will be in number of measurement. So if I press green flag, he will ask me the number of measurement. I will told him I will write 10, just 10, and press enter. He will just detect the mic for 10 times, just 10 times, detect, um, detect the mic, and stop. If I want to do delete all sound recorder, I have to put delete and choose all in bottom, in front of script. Delete all sound, delete all sound. When I press green flag, he will ask me again and delete all sound recorded. I will put 20. He will record the sound again. If the sound more than 70, then the sprite change custom and say the sound is too loud. If the sound more than 70, less than, the sprite change custom and say the sound is too low. Sound is too low. I will change this one to just 40, 40. If the sound more than 40, the sprite change custom and say the sound is too loud. If the sound less than 40, the sprite change custom and say the sound is too low. Just I have to put if then else. If then else. If the loudness greater than 40, you have to say, sprite, you have to say too low, too high. And here, too low. And the change custom. Where is change custom? You can next custom from look. This one. You can try type 20. If you more than 40, more than 40 will say too high, too high, too high, too high. Sorry, I have to put forever. I have to put forever here. Yes, too low, too high, too low, too high. I will put it 20. Too low, too high, 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 high. Change custom. Too high or too low. It's a very easy program to detect sound and convert it to digital sound and make the scratch as a data logger. Uh, thank you for today and see you next week. Thank you. Bye.